What's going on YouTube? I'm AVS Chris, and I'm here to talk to you guys about the new Evolve billet tank and Evolve tank clamps. Now before I get started, I just want to let you guys know, thank you guys for watching the videos. Like, comment, subscribe, make sure you're following us on Instagram, and to stay up to date on all the videos that we got coming out soon. So let's go ahead and talk about the tanks and what we offer. So we offer two tanks. One's a 3-gallon tank that is 20 inches, and we offer a 5-gallon tank, which is 30 inches. Now both tanks have 8 ports, 6 ports are 1/4 inch, and the other 2 are 3/8 inch. Now it's a brushed finish on both tanks, leaving you an open canvas. Also, you can powder coat it, you can hydro dip, you can polish, or you can paint them. There are 0 visible welds, as you can see. There's also no O-rings you have to worry about. So other tanks that are designed very similar, if the O-ring goes out, you end up having a leak and you have to buy a rebuild kit. On our tanks, you don't have to worry about that. Also, something else that we did when we designed this tank is we made sure that the sidewall is very thick. Now there are some tanks out there that have a thin sidewall, so when you're putting in your fittings, it could easily be stripped out, or you could crack the side of the tank. Now with ours, they are a 3/4 inch sidewall, which is really nice. Now let's go ahead and talk about a little bit about the ports. You're going to notice that the bottom port is only 2/1000ths of an inch from the actual bottom of the tank. Now the reason why is because that you can use for your drain port. Now, something that's included in the tanks is a nice package of assorted nickel-plated plugs, and you get 1 drain, and you also get some Loctite in there. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about the Evolve tank clamps. Now we have 3 different options. They're all the same size. They're 6 and 5/8, and they're compatible with other tanks. You don't just have to use them on our Evolve tanks. So we have the regular stainless steel style. We have the style 1. We also have the mono clamp style. Now, we give you different options. You're more than welcome to paint, hydro dip, or powder coat, or even polish, all these pieces. It's a modular system, so you could take it apart yourself and be able to do whatever type of customizing you want to do to match your car or your truck's theme. As you can see, the ones in front of me, these are already powder coated. It's a nice finish. You get a lot of accessories that come with it to give it a different look, and also on top of that, you can do anything to them. So that about wraps it up for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys at the next video. You guys have a great day.